Alright guys, so check it out. Got a brand new PS4 controller here. Just a black one. Model C, oh you can't really see it, CUHZCTU, ZCT2U-A. So we'll see how this works. So first Model A, so we'll see. And then the mod we're doing is this DTF, which is D-pad, thumbsticks, face buttons. DTF LED kit, solderless. It's just plug and play. Battery plugs into it. It plugs into the board. Extra screws. Instructions. And then here's the kit. They give you a nice little Phillips screwdriver, but kind of chintzy. The tweezers don't really help. The only thing in this toolkit that actually really helps is this little tool right here. And you use this to split the controller in half once you unscrew it. Just stick it in, pry it. And then we have our D-pad with the see-through arrows and the face buttons. If I can pull them out. I don't know if you can see it or not. The face buttons has like a lot of icons that see through, so the light will shine through that. And the thumbsticks. Alright, so now we got all this out. Oh, yeah, and across the touchpad, custom made reapplicable vinyl sticker. So you can put it on, take it off, it won't leave any residue. Yeah. That one's for the light bar on the bottom. Yeah, that's for the light bar on the front of the controller. These two, they give you like a little option for the light bar that's on the touchpad. The newer models, 4th gen and 5th gen, I believe, have the light bar across the touchpad. You see like a little cutout there. Yeah. So, now in this video, I don't have a tripod, so I'm going to be pausing and recording a lot, like pausing, unpausing. First thing we're going to do is these 4 screws. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take those 4 screws out and then split the controller in half. Now when you do this, you got to be really careful because there's a ribbon on the inside that connects the light bar on the back of the controller to the PCB board on the inside. So you just got to be careful when you pry it apart not to yank, because if you damage that ribbon cable, your controller is garbage. It will not work. Alright, let's do it. Alright, we got the 4 screws out. Use the little tool all the way around the controller, and we're set. See a little ribbon? That's for the light bar. That's the one I was telling you about. If you yank up too hard, you'll damage that ribbon and then your controller will not work. So we got to take that ribbon out, battery out, and should be one more screw underneath the battery somewhere. There it is. So next step is that ribbon has to be unplugged. That ribbon up there has to be unplugged. It's like a little copper color one. And the battery has to be unplugged, and the silver screw's got to come out. Alright, so the ribbons are unplugged, battery's unplugged, and the screw's out. So what you want to do is keep it upside down like this, and put your fingers on the thumbsticks and push up just real light on the thumbsticks, and it will push the board out. Like so. At this point, this is where you'd want to change either your back plate by taking all that apart, faceplate, buttons, because we're about to take all this apart to put those buttons in now. So, These gotta come out. Let's see if I can do this one-handed here. Really need a tripod. There's your D-pad and buttons. Now, to replace the thumbsticks on the controller, they just slide on and off. They might be a little stiff at first, like kind of hard to pull on. Yeah, real easy. There's the thumbsticks. And then we can pull the D-pad out. And all the action buttons. Do this easy. Yeah, do this the easy way. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to put the buttons and... Oh, I can't put the buttons and thumbsticks in yet. I got to put the LED kit on that first. And then the thumbsticks go on. Alright, pull the LED kit out of the bag. Here's your LED kit. It'll go all the way across the board. You want this end to be at the battery post end. On this controller, it's on the right side. The older controllers is on the left side. It's just opposite for some reason. But the LED kit works on all versions. You just got to start at one end or the other. And go all the way across. What's going to happen is you got one set for the D-pad, one set for the action buttons, and then these two little circles will go for the thumbsticks. And I'm going to put that in next. Okay, so LED kit's put on. D-pad, action buttons, thumbsticks. I forgot to mention this little piece over here that plugs into the battery and the board. Is actually your touch control. And it will go on the back of the controller on one of the either sides, here or here, not sure yet. But it'll go on the inside of the controller, and then you just touch the back of the controller like this and change colors, turn it on, off, all that. But that's what that is. So yeah, LED kit's on. Time to put in the buttons and the thumbsticks. Alright, so thumbsticks are on. And the D-pad and action buttons or face buttons are on. Now all you gotta do is just put it all back together. When you use an LED kit, when you put it back together, be careful of the touchpad with these loose wires up top. These ones in the corner seem to be okay. And then these ones here in the middle of the thumbsticks, be careful not to snap those in with that piece, with the headphone jack. So yeah, just the wires in the middle, you just gotta watch it when you close it, the shell together. Make sure you're not pinching those wires or breaking them. But yeah, that's it. So let's get this together. Alright guys, finally got it back together. Stickers on, there's that Rainbow Burst custom vinyl sticker. There's a Twitch vinyl sticker on the back. Mods by Twitch. I'm gonna go plug it in and see how it works. Let's see here. And we have juice. Alright, let's turn it on. And then we just touch the back here, hold for 3 seconds. I hitting the right spot? There we go. Just gotta find that sweet spot on the back of the controller. So we got 1. I'll find the sweet spot again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. Slow blink, fast blink. And you just hold for 3 seconds to turn it on and off. It's all touch controlled. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button. Thanks.